Hello everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today I have the unboxing of the Simon Says Stamp February 2019 card kit. And as you can see, you get a couple of embossing powders. This one is Simon's clear embossing powder. It is a fine detail. And then, oh, I'm sorry, this is not an embossing powder. It is glitter. It's called Unicorn Dust with Prismacolors. So you get all the colors of the rainbow basically in that. Not sure if you can see it on camera, but it's really pretty. Okay, set the box aside. Okay, let's see what we have for us. Okay, we've got, of course, our sucker watermelon. That one's a good one. I love watermelon. Okay, the stamp set is, there's actually two stamps, but the stamp set is called Love Always, and it is a 6x8, and there's a lot of pretty flower stamps on here, lots of hearts. It's a pretty little bird here, but lots of sentiments. Oh, and this is really cool. It's a line of music. That's really neat. So you can use that as a border. You have, you are my soulmate, you are my best friend for always. Even after all this time, I still love you. I love that you just get me. Love never ends. Love of my life. Together forever. Love you always. That's so pretty. I think this is Christina Warner's script writing. You will always be in my heart. Forever in love with you. I love you more each day. Our love story is my favorite. So that is a really pretty stamp set. You'll be able to make a lot of really wonderful Valentine's cards with that. Okay, so moving along, then we get a background stamp, and these are red rubber on cling, and this is called Rose Lattice Background. So this would be really pretty embossed on paper as a background, and that is 6x6. Alright, you get 8 double-sided sheets of Authentique Romance 6x6 papers. These are always very pretty papers. Just gorgeous patterns. And they're all a little distressed. The distressed wood with the white or cream color flowers, roses on there. That looks like the background stamp. Here's some stuff with music on it. And the little cut apart sheet. Oh. I hate it when they put two really cute things on the same paper. Makes it hard to decide which to use. Okay. Then you got 3 skin shade. Oh, the thread. This is by We Are Memory Keepers, and I think this is actually in like embroidery floss. Yeah. And 3 different shades of red. You got like a dark burgundy, a bright red, and this kind of tomatoey, orangey red. Oh, let's see. That's called Cinnamon, Hot Tamale, and Ladybug. So lots of fun things you can sew. If you have a Sew Easy, you can sew, or you can just wrap it around your cards, or you can make bows out of it. A lot of different things you can do with a thick embroidery floss like that. Okay, so next we have a jar of the Simon Says Stamp Unicorn Dust Glitter. That's that glitter that I showed you. Oh, that's the glitter. And then the clear fine embossing powder. And then you have 1 each of the Simon Says Stamp metallic envelopes in cotton candy, silver, and ivory. And these have a really, really pretty sheen on them. I think you can see it bouncing in the light there. Okay, and you have 1 pack of Simon Says Stamp pre-scored black note cards. This is out of their thick heavyweight cardstock. And one sheet, let's see, this is the big papers. One sheet of Nina Desert Storm. One sheet each, Simon Says cardstock in Doll Pink, Cotton Candy, and Ivory. So, and that is the Simon Says stamp February 2018 card kit, and it is called Love Always. And this is, what a great deal. You get two fabulous big stamp sets. So that's a really awesome deal. Such beautiful paper from Authentique. So what a great deal. I will have linked down below the card kit if it's still available. I'll have to double check. Probably not, because this is such a great card kit. But I will have linked down below questions and answers about card kits, the subscription, and anything that is available on an individual basis. I will have it linked down in the description below. We will see you soon in the next video.